If you're trying to create a funnel to connect your marketing to your sales, then look no further because this video is going to be a complete guide on everything you need to know about funnels on Kajabi. I'll take you through step by step how to create the funnel, how to connect it with your marketing and your offers. And yeah, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a funnel for your business. If you don't have Kajabi yet, then we actually have a link where you can get started with a 30-day free trial. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check out the link down below. Now, if you don't know what a funnel is for, it's basically used to convert people from your Kajabi landing pages to your email campaign. From there, people will receive a bunch of marketing emails. And within these emails, you can give your audience value as well as lead them to your products and services that you're selling. So right here, I'm on our Kajabi dashboard. And just to show you guys how it works, you basically go to marketing right here. And then inside of your marketing, you choose the funnels option right here. And then from there, you just click on new funnel right here. And then there's a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. You guys can go through this entire list and select whichever one applies to you. But for most people, I think the sales page is perfect because with this, you automatically get a opt-in page, you get a checkout page, and you also get 8 pre-written email sequences. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on get started right here. And then now is where I can name my funnel. So I'll just go ahead and name it test funnel for now. And then down here is where you can select an offer. So if you guys don't have an offer yet, then that's totally okay. You could choose a separate funnel for now, such as the freebie one. And with this, you can give them something for free, like an ebook, or maybe just an email giving them some value. And then once you help them out, then you can sort of ask them, hey, what else can I help you with? And then this will give you some inspiration on what kind of products and services that you can sell. So now that it's finished building out my funnel, I can go ahead and edit all of this stuff. They created the opt-in page, they created the 8 email sequences, as well as a sales page, and then finally the offer checkout. If you guys click on the 3 dots right here, you guys can reorder them. So if you want to have the sales page first and then the opt-in afterwards, you can do that. And then if I want to create a separate page, then I just have to click in between where it says add a page right here. And with this, you guys can create a new landing page, or you guys can just choose from an existing landing page that you've already built out. And then if you want to edit the page, then just go ahead and click into it. And so now this is the opt-in, as you can see. So for the opt-in page, it's just a simple form with a background image and a header. And so obviously when they fill out this form and they give me their email, this is where I'm going to be able to send them a bunch of marketing emails. And then if I go ahead and click into the email sequence, you guys can see that it's already written out all of the different emails. And it's also giving me titles on what these emails are. So it's great because, you guys can just click on add new email right here. And with this, they have a bunch of different templates as well. So let's say I want to go with something simple like this, the share knowledge template. I'll go ahead and click get started, and then I'll enter in a title for this email. This is just going to be a title for you to see. So don't worry about this going out to the public. So once you've given it a name, now it's going to ask you to choose the day, time, as well as entering things like the subject and the preview text. So you guys can change this to whenever. Obviously, if I want this email to send out immediately after they opt in for the form, I'll go ahead and just change this to 0. Now down here, I can go ahead and click on edit content, and then it's going to take me to this page right here where I can edit my email just like how I would a regular landing page. And then you have the sales page. So this is where you can have your offer, whether it's something like this where it kind of seems like a live webinar, or you could just go ahead and change up the sections. Like for example, right here, I could just go down to where it says pricing cards. And then inside of all these, I can link 3 different offers. And then obviously the offer checkout, this one's pretty self-explanatory. It's basically your offer. And for this one, I chose a virtual coaching, and this one's $3,000. If you guys want to change the pricing or anything like that, you guys can just change that here. You can also scroll down and add some automations. So this right here, they've already created one. And so every time this offer is purchased, then we actually receive an email saying that, hey, somebody purchased the virtual coaching package. So once you guys are done customizing your funnel, you could then go ahead and go right here to where it says copy link. And I actually recommend using an incognito browser. This way you could see how the entire funnel works as a brand new user. And so you could just type in any name and you could just enter in a separate email address. And so you could see if all the email marketing is done correctly, as well as if the pages look right. Make sure that your funnel looks good before you actually send it out live. And yeah, as you guys saw before, there are so many different options when it comes to the different templates. They also have some legacy funnels that you guys can use as well. So yeah, check those out, read the description and see if it fits for what you're trying to make. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that you need to know about funnels on Kajabi. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. And if you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this. We have some other videos on this channel that will teach you everything you need to know about Kajabi. So check those out. And we'll also leave a link down below if you want to check out the 30-day free trial on Kajabi. So yeah, share this with a friend who can benefit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.